Okay, my name's Dumisani Tembo. I'm the chairperson of the Ncwala Organizing Committee from Zambia in the Eastern Province in the Abangoni Kingdom. Abangoni are a Nguni group that originated from South Africa by the leadership of King Zwangendaba. King Zwangendaba and King Mashobane, the father to King Mzilikazi, were part of the Ndwandwes or the Ndwandwe alliance. When King Mashobane was killed by King Zwide, who was the king of Abandwandwe, Mzilikazi left and went to join King Shaka. King Zwangendaba remained with King Zwide, but at the Battle of Umhlatus in 1818, King Zwangendaba left South Africa and ended up crossing the Zambezi River, settled briefly in Zambia, in Malawi, then died in the northern part of Zambia. After his death, his children could not agree on who was to be the heir to the throne. So King Bezeni, who was the firstborn son from the great house, left and set up the Abangoni Kingdom in the eastern province of Zambia. Then there was King Belwa, who left and went to settle in Malawi, and one of King Zwangendaba's generals, Zulu Gama, settled in Tanzania. So you have Abangoni in Zambia, you have Abangoni in Malawi, you have Abangoni in Tanzania as well as Mozambique. So I come from Abangoni in Zambia, and I come from Umpezeni.